Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Visual Studio with the data workload, and a local SQL Server instance. Open Visual Studio, then use Tools Get Tools and Features to add the SQL components if missing. Once done, ensure local DB or your SQL Server service is running. This lets Visual Studio connect without firewalls. You'll also open SQL Server Management Studio to create a test database. This makes the next steps predictable and reduces connection errors. Now connect from Visual Studio. Open Server Explorer, choose Add Connection, select Microsoft SQL Server, and enter your instance name or localDB, /MSSQL localDB. Once connected, create a new database using the context menu or run a Create Database script for control. Then add tables and seed rows. Visual Studio offers designers or SQL editor for scripts. If you plan to use code, add Entity Framework and Generate Models or Scaffold to do. NET for direct queries and tight control over SQL execution. Finish by testing. Run select queries in Server Explorer or use your application to query the database. Confirm expected rows and types. Once tests pass, update your app's connections string and app settings, JSON or web. Config using integrated security or a secure credential store. Deploy locally or to a server and retest. If something breaks, make sure the instance name is correct, the SQL service is running, and authentication mode matches your credentials. These 3 checks resolve most connection failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.